Hey everyone, my name is Manish and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tonic. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech accessories with a product that promises to safeguard your prized possession, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's unbox and review the SPGUARD 4-pack Galaxy Watch Ultra 747mm screen protector. Alright, let's see what we've got here. We have the SPGUARD packaging, which looks pretty standard. Let's open this up and see what's inside. For tempered glass screen protectors, wet wipes, dry wipes, dust removal, stickers, installation guide. So, we have 4 tempered glass screen protectors in this pack. That's great value for money. The glass looks clear and has a good thickness to it. We'll see how it performs in terms of scratch resistance and impact protection later on. Now, let's see how easy it is to install this screen protector. The package includes everything you need for a clean installation. Let's give it a shot. Cleaning the watch screen, aligning the screen protector, removing the protective film, applying the screen protector. Well, that was pretty straightforward. The screen protector seems to be aligned well. Let's give it a few hours to settle before we put it to the test. Now it's time to see how this screen protector holds up. We'll be subjecting it to a series of tests to determine its scratch resistance, impact resistance, and clarity. So, that's our review of the SPGUARD 4-pack Galaxy Watch Ultra 747mm screen protector. It offers good value for money with 4 protectors in the pack. The installation was pretty easy, and the screen protector seems to provide decent protection against scratches and minor impacts. The clarity is also good, so you won't notice a significant difference in screen quality. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable way to protect your Galaxy Watch Ultra screen, the SPGUARD screen protector is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching.